On Saturday, the Minister of Health, Jenny Luther Cheng, announced the country's highest number of cases recorded in a single day. Out of 318 cases announced on that day, 153 were from Amuru prison.
When the results came, 153 inmates tested positive. One staff who was actually doing admission of these inmates also tested positive.
This state of affairs has raised concern among prison authorities that the problem could be much bigger than what they discovered in Amuru. The Uganda Prisons Service has now asked the Minister of Health to test all prisoners and prison staff to ascertain the extent of the problem.
What else has been done was to request Minister of Health, if it is possible, to test all the prisoners and all the staff of Uganda Prisons Service.
Currently, there are 61,867 prisoners across all prisons in the country and 12,060 prison staff. The experts say it costs about $65, about 240,000 shillings to test one person. If implemented as requested, the government will have to spend about 18 billion shillings on the exercise.
Even if it is expensive, it's cheaper to check and confirm in time than to wait to deal with treatment of big numbers.
The prison's officials also want suspects in police custody tested before they are handed over to prisons.
The police must start testing suspects before they bring them to us. But that one is still under discussion.
The process of having a person tested and the shortest time for getting results is actually 4 days. So that is about 96 hours. And we need to harmonize that with the 48-hour period under which suspects are detained in custody.
Baine has also revealed that another prison warder has tested positive for COVID-19.
Our health worker in rural prison farm, who has been attending to a patient in Kayunga, when she returned to rural prison, as the SOPs demand, she was put under self-quarantine. But the OC went ahead to request for a test before she could resume her health activities. Unfortunately, when the results came yesterday, she tested positive.
The Uganda Prisons Service has also implemented a directive by the President to decongest prisons to avoid the spread of COVID-19.
And that's why at the time, the numbers had gone to 65, and now the number has gone down to 61.
Jingo Francis, NTV.